with aspartame. You cannot go to the grocery store now and buy any type of even regular sugar gum that hasn't had aspartame added to it. In the 1970s, Searle tried to get it approved, and they couldn't. It took them 3 separate times because in their own studies with monkeys, large portions of them that were fed it died and contracted cancer. Now we have mainstream news articles, and the EU has done a major study finding lower birth weights, early birth, and yes, miscarriages from women that drink aspartame-laden soft drinks like Coke Zero. What is aspartame? It is the fecal matter of the E. coli bacteria. They took it and genetically engineered it. They can feed it toxic waste, and then it defecates aspartame. And it has so many bad health effects, it's just unspeakable.
Here you go, people. There are over 92 different health side effects associated with aspartame consumption. That is correct, aspartame consumption. And we'll scroll down here so you can see some of the side effects. Eye blindness in one or both eyes, decreased vision, decreased night vision, bulging eyes. In the ear, tinnitus, ringing or buzzing, severe intolerance to noise, marked hearing impairment. For your neurologics, epileptic seizures, headaches, migraines, severe dizziness, unsteadiness, confusion and memory loss, severe drowsiness, sleeplessness, paresthesia or numbness of the limbs, severe slurring of speech, severe hyperactivity and restless legs, atypical facial pain, and severe tremors. And for your psychological needs, let's see what else they have in store. Severe depression, irritability, aggression, anxiety, personality changes, insomnia, phobias. And for your breathing in your chest, you can have palpitations, tachycardia, shortness of breath, recent high blood pressure? And for your gastrointestinal, nausea, diarrhea, sometimes with blood in stools, abdominal pain, and pain when swallowing. Let's not leave out your skin. Itching without a rash, lip and mouth reactions, hives, aggravated respiratory allergies such as asthma, and indoctrinating your metabolic system, loss of control of diabetes, menstrual changes, marked thinning or loss of hair, marked weight loss, gradual weight gain, aggravated low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, severe PMS. Oh, we have another category. Frequency, avoiding and burning during urination, excessive thirst, fluid retention, leg swelling, bloating, increased susceptibility to infection. Isn't that awesome? Additional symptoms, we're not done, of aspartame toxicity include the most critical symptoms of all: death, irreversible brain damage, birth defects including mental retardation, peptic ulcers, aspartame addiction, and increased craving for sweets, hyperactivity in children, severe depression, aggressive behavior, and suicidal tendencies. Let's go on. Aspartame may trigger, mimic, or cause the following illnesses: chronic fatigue syndrome, Epstein, Barr, post-polio syndrome, Lyme disease, Graves' disease, Meniere's disease, Alzheimer's disease, ALS, epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, EMS, hyperthyroidism, mercury sensitivity from amalgam fillings, fibromyalgia, lupus, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, attention deficit disorder. These are not allergies or sensitivities, but diseases and diseases syndromes. Aspartame is poisoning. It is commonly misdiagnosed because aspartame symptoms mock textbook disease symptoms such as Graves' disease. Aspartame changes the ratio of amino acids in the blood, blocking or lowering the levels of serotonin, tyrosine, dopamine, norepinephrine, and adrenaline. Okay? Therefore, it is typical that aspartame symptoms cannot be detected in lab tests or on X-rays. Textbook disorders and diseases may actually be a toxic load as a result of aspartame poisoning.